Hey, what's going on, guys? I'm Charlie, and welcome to Project Morris. In this video, I am going to be sharing with you some more goals. Since it's been a while, since much has been happening, life has been getting into the way of things, and all the normal excuses. Yeah, it's just how it's been. But things are soon to change because I have set a goal that I'm going to have this car running and driving safely, not necessarily road legal yet, because that's a lot of extra money on top. But I just want to get this thing running and driving safely by this time next year. So we'll see how we go. There's a lot of work to be done. But yeah, I hope to see you guys in my journey. Click subscribe, whatever side it's on, if you want to follow along. And yeah, have a good one, guys. See you in the next one.